All right, so here we go. um, Welcome to my studio and my sunflowers. I made perfume and then the bottle drained, so I had to make some more. Sunflower. I took the little stamens out of the sunflower. See them sitting there? Yeah. I did it a whole different deal the first time, and then I accidentally dumped it. It was perfect. So anyway, I'm going to try it with these little tiny ones. I scavenged what I could from the garden, and I'm going to make another perfume. I just made it up just a little bit ago, and I think I'll check it in about 2 weeks. And then that should give me an idea of how it worked. It's a whole different part of the flower. The flower that I used in the beginning was more developed. It's on the bottom. They were bigger, rounder, and these are much different. They were smaller and greener. So we'll see. Next year, the sunflowers are almost done. So next year is when I'll have another opportunity. Weather permitting. You know how that weather is. I really did enjoy the sunflowers this year, and I'm going to do it again. They are really fun to have this big flower towering over your head when usually you're towering over the flowers. Anyway, I love it, and I hope you're enjoying. If you're enjoying life, find something to enjoy life about. There is, believe me, I'm an expert. Anyway, I'm just having fun, and I thought I'd share my fun time with you. I've been a little bit nervous about making videos lately. This is one of my favorites. Anyway, yeah, I've been a little bit nervous, shy, I lose 5 teeth, and everything starts changing. So anyway, hopefully you enjoy this, and I hope you laugh. I'll do anything. I'll be funny, I'll be ugly, I'll do anything to make you laugh. You all have a really good day, night, evening, whatever it is. Seek for the peace.